Hey, Alice, are you okay? Yeah, just counting to see if I have enough for dinner today. How about tonight's on me? Order whatever you want. Really? Anything? Absolutely. Go wild. I'll start with the, water. Tap, of course. Tap water? Come on, Alice, live a little. Get some sparkling water, maybe even with a lemon slice. Sparkling? Oh, you mean the kind of water that tries to fight you while you drink it? Sure, let's get wild. That's the spirit. How about appetizers? How about 2 of everything, since you're being so generous? Whoa there, you've got quite the appetite tonight. Well, with my salary, it's mostly instant noodles. This might be my only chance to taste something that doesn't come with a seasoning packet. Fair enough, 2 of everything it is. And for the main course? What's the most expensive dish here?
That would be the Golden Lobster Delight.
I'll take that. And can I get some ketchup on the side? Ketchup for a golden lobster? Hey, old habits die hard. A girl's gotta have a ketchup. I never knew fine dining with you would be such an adventure, Alice. Just wait until dessert. I might ask for some chocolate sauce with my creme brulee. Oh, the horror. But sure, why not? Tonight's about having fun. Thanks, Benny. And next time it's on me. We'll go to that instant noodle place around the corner. Deal. Can't wait. Ouch, Betty. I think that Golden Lobster Delight might have been a bit too delightful for my tooth. What happened? Did you crack a tooth? I don't know, but it hurts. I might need to see a dentist. Don't worry, there's one nearby. Let's go.
It looks like you have a cavity, Alice. We need to treat it immediately.
Oh no, how much will it cost?
For a basic checkup and cleaning, it'll be $80.
I could buy 580 packets of instant noodles with that money. I don't suppose you would do a 2-for-1 discount or accept instant noodles as payment.
I'm afraid not. But if you need to, you can pay in installments.
Maybe I can just wait until next month's salary. It's just a toothache, right?
I wouldn't advise waiting, Alice. The pain can get worse and complications might arise.
Looks like it's back to instant noodles for the next few months, but at least I'll have my tooth.
And remember, no more golden lobster for you, at least for a while.
Deal. Just don't remind me of the price.
Appetite. Meaning, a natural desire to satisfy a bodily need, especially for food. Usage. She had a big appetite and ordered a lot of food. Sparkling water. Meaning, water that has been carbonated, so it's bubbly. Usage. Some people prefer sparkling water over still water during meals. Seasoning packet. Meaning, a pre-packaged mix of spices and flavors used to season food. Usage. Instant noodles often come with a seasoning packet for flavor. Fine dining. Meaning, dining in an upscale restaurant which serves gourmet food. Usage. Fine dining restaurants often require a reservation. Creme brulee. Meaning, a dessert of custard topped with caramelized sugar. Usage: creme brulee is a popular French dessert. Cavity, meaning a hole or decay in a tooth caused by tooth decay. Usage: if you eat too many sweets without brushing your teeth, you might get a cavity. Installments, meaning regular portions of a payment that divide the total amount owed into smaller amounts. Usage: she bought the car and paid in monthly installments. Complications, meaning secondary, often complex problems arising from an initial issue. Usage: if you don't treat a cold, it can lead to complications like bronchitis. Golden lobster delight, meaning likely a fancy and expensive dish involving lobster, possibly with gold flake garnish. Usage: the most expensive dish on the menu was the golden lobster delight. Dentist, meaning a person who treats teeth and oral health issues. Usage: I visit the dentist every 6 months for a checkup. Delightful, meaning causing delight or pleasure. Usage: the play was delightful and everyone enjoyed it. Caviar, meaning fish eggs, especially from sturgeon, which are eaten as a delicacy. Usage: she tasted caviar for the first time at the fancy party.
Hey, Alice, are you okay? How about tonight's on me? Order whatever you want. Absolutely. Go wild. Tap water? Come on, Alice, live a little. Get some sparkling water, maybe even with a lemon slice. That's the spirit. How about appetizers? Whoa there! You've got quite the appetite tonight. Fair enough. 2 of everything it is. And for the main course? What's the most expensive dish here?
That would be the golden lobster delight.
I'll take that. Ketchup for a golden lobster? I never knew fine dining with you would be such an adventure, Alice. Oh, the horror. But sure, why not? Tonight's about having fun. Deal. Can't wait. What happened? Did you crack a tooth? Don't worry, there's one nearby. Let's go.
It looks like you have a cavity, Alice. We need to treat it immediately. For a basic checkup and cleaning, it'll be $80. I'm afraid not, but if you need to, you can pay in installments. I wouldn't advise waiting, Alice. The pain can get worse and complications might arise. And remember, no more golden lobster for you, at least for a while.
Number 1, fill in the blank. That's the blank. How about appetizers? A, mood. B, spirit. C, idea. The correct answer is B, spirit. Why was Alice counting her money at the beginning of the conversation? A, she was going shopping. B, she wanted to buy a gift for Benny. C, she was checking to see if she had enough for dinner. The correct answer was C. She was checking to see if she had enough for dinner. What kind of water did Alice originally choose? A, sparkling water with lemon. B, tap water. C, bottled water. The correct answer is B, tap water. How did Alice react to the cost of the dental treatment? A, she agreed immediately. B, she related it to the cost of instant noodles. C, she asked if the dentist would accept a personal check. The correct answer is B. She related it to the cost of instant noodles. Number 5, fill in the blank. It looks like you have a blank, Alice. We'll need to treat it immediately. A, cold. B, bruise. C, cavity. The correct answer is C, cavity. Fill in the blank. Looks like it's back to blank for the next few months. A, eating out. B, instant noodles. C, organic food. The correct answer is B, instant noodles. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.